So guys, how you guys doing? So welcome to this session of the journey where I'll be teaching how you can install Facebook Pixel on your website. So I'm sorry I can't make a lot of noise because I'm not feeling too well, but I want to record this video so you guys can. So the reason why we need Facebook Pixel, the reason why we need to install the Facebook Pixel on our website is because we want to be able to track the amount of people that are coming to our website to click on this button. Let me show you. This is my website. So the reason why we need to install the Facebook Pixel on this website is because we want to track the amount of people that are clicking on this link. This get started now. You know this get started now that they are going to click to get to your website, to get your WhatsApp. But let's say you have an email list, but most of you guys are going to be directing them to your WhatsApp. Know that this button here, it has your WhatsApp link. So once they click on this button here, they'll be directed to your WhatsApp. So we want them to click on this link. We want to be tracking how many people are coming to this website to click on this button. So once they click on this button, it will be counted as lead. So I hope you guys understand. So we are going to be tracking it. So that's why we need the Facebook Pixel on this website. So we need to install it. So I'll be showing you how you can create Facebook Pixel. So let's get back to our. So first you are going to go to your business settings. So once you go to your business settings, you say I go to the business settings. You are going to click on this business settings. I'm going to now go down to the data sources. So before, there's a way you can create a Facebook pixel by just clicking on this pixel button. So you just click on this pixel button to create a Facebook pixel. But Facebook has changed it, so you can't create a Facebook pixel by just clicking on this Facebook pixel. So before, normally we used to create Facebook pixel from here, but they've changed it, so because they're always changing their platforms from time to time. So I think that's what life is too. So life is all about change. So if you want to create our Facebook page, all we have to do is come to this data set. So it is called data set now. So we'll click on this data set and we'll click on add. So we are going to create a new data set. So it is the data set that is the pixel that we are going to install on our website. So we are going to click on add. So you can use any name. I can use any name at all. Let me use Tomoa. No, I've used Tomoa again before. Let me use tutorial testing. Yes, tutorial testing. Tutorial testing. So I'll click on create. So now we created the data set. We created the data set that we're going to use. We're going to put on our website. As you can see, this is the ID here. So the next thing we want to do is that we want to add this data set to our ad account so that when we want to publish our ad, when we are running a lead campaign or sales campaign to our website, we'll be able to track it. We are going to use the particular data set that we created. It is this that we are going to choose when we are creating our. So I'll click on this add asset. So this is the name of my ad account. So all I just have to do is click on it. So I'll click on add. So I'll click on done. So as you can see, it is done. So the next thing we want to do is we want to install the code on our website so we can be able to track conversion. So we'll click on open event manager. So now we want to add the code to our website. So we have different ways that we can send event from a server, gather website events from browser activity, share data from mobile apps, and share data storage stored in a spreadsheet. So the one we want to click on is the gather events from browser activity. So click on it. So it is going to give us a code that we are going to install on our website. So I'll just click on install. We're not going to use partner integration. You can also use partner integration, but I'll just click on install code manually. So it is going to give us a code. So I'm going to head down to my website now. So let me pause this video because I want to do some things on the website so I won't get you guys confused. So let's head to my website, guys. So before I forget, there's no way you can do this if you are using a free website like CAD or Blogger or any free website that you're using. So you need to get a paid website. So if you need a paid website, you can just reach out to me. So there's no way you can track conversions if you don't have a paid website. But if you are just starting out, since you are just starting out, you can be using a free website. So when you get money, then you cannot get a paid website. But if you have a free website, this thing is actually not meant for you, because your a free website does not have a backend. So you need to get a paid website before you can do this. So I'll copy the code now and I'll head down to the backend of my website. So I'll copy the code. So I'll go to the backend of my website. So I can see this is the backend of my website. So this is how it looks like. So if you want to get to the backend of your website, I'm just going to tap let me do this. In front of your domain which is your website domain, you're just going to put this slash and you're going to put WP here. WP admin. So as you can see, going to take you to the backend of your this thing. That's if you are already logged in. But if you are not already this thing, it is going to tell you that you should enter password and this thing. So this is the backend of my website. So I'll look for this plugin. So I need to install the plugin so I can install the code on the header part of my website. So I'll click on plugin. I'll click on add new. So the name of the plugin that I want to install is WCode. So you click on WCode. So for me, I already have the plugin already. So all you have to do is download this particular plugin. Once you've downloaded it, you install it. It's going to show actively. So you come down here. You come to this code snippet. You are going to click on this header and footer. Let me go back so you can see. So you come down to this code snippet and you're going to add header and footer. So we are going to copy and paste this one. Copy and paste this one. So we copy and paste the code that will copy. All you just have to do is save changes. Click on save changes. So we want to add right into our we want to test. Let's click enter continue. Let's click on continue. Let me click on continue. So let's turn on all these ones. Turn on automatic matching country ID phone number. So we can continue. So all we want to do now is open in the best setup to see. Open. So we want to see if this thing is active or not. So let me copy the website here. So I'll copy it. So I'll paste it. Oh, you say it doesn't say. Okay, let me go back here. Let me refresh this one. Because sometimes it used to take this. So let's go back to data source and go and look for the data this thing again. Okay, this tutorial. So let's test event. Let me go to test event. Let me see if it started confirm. So let me enter the URL. Let me check it. Let me refresh it again. Let's see. As you can see, guys, it has started tracking this. Our code has been installed on our website successfully. So as you guys can see, it's very easy. So this one is the page view that is one person clicked on your website. Once you come to your website, So the second one is the basic thing why we want to do this thing, so I can track URL. So let's look for the, let's create a conversion. So let me scroll down. You know, we want to track a particular conversion. Is that when someone clicks on that link, it is counted as a conversion. So that's what we want to track. So I want to create a conversion. So I'll look where this when event set up to me. So we're going to enter the URL again. So click on open website. So I'm going to be tracking that button now. So I'll be looking for that button, tracking no button. So I'll be looking for that particular button. So I'll click on get started now. So since we want to be tracking it like as a lead, once someone click on the button, so I'll click on lead. Since we are not selling, if it is an e-commerce website now that you are selling something on the website, maybe you have clothes that you are selling. So that if someone buys one clothes, you can be saying like you are going to get 10,000 naira, so you can put value. But since they are coming to our website and since they are coming to our WhatsApp, and it's not that everybody that are coming that are going to buy, so we can't add the value. So don't include value. So click on confirm. So click on finish. So that's all guys. Our event has been set up. So you can skip. So we want to test event if our listener started working. So I'll now head back to the website. I'll refresh it and I'll now click on that button and I start tracking. So let me go back. Let me go down. Let me click on the button. I'll click on the button and so I'll now head back to the event manager. So as you guys can see, it has been the day the conversion event that we started tracking that we did, it has started tracking. So once you start running hours, you are going to use this part. I'm going to use this particular tutorial testing that I use. So I'm going to create another video for lead gen. Facebook when you run ads for lead generation. So I'm going to use this particular conversion, this particular data set, this particular pixel. So that means once people start, I'll now send people to this particular website. I'll send people to this particular website. Let me show you the website. So I'll send people to this particular website. So once they click on this link, once they click on this, I'll be knowing the amount of people that are clicking on it. So I'll be getting notified. So I'll know so I can feed this data to Facebook and me too, I can know how many people are coming to my website and how many people are converting. So I hope you guys understand this part. So the next part is I will doing a video where I'll be running Facebook lead generation. So I'll be using this particular pixel this thing. So thanks for watching the video guys.